Good morning, everyone. This is Guru here. I am back with one more interesting topic, that is day to day household expenses management or tracking. Okay, recently I received a credit card bill. When I started doing the reconciliation, just checking like which transaction is related to what all the expenditure I did here, there were some things which are very much clear, just like Amazon purchases, Flipkart purchase, or big basket purchase. They are very much clear. But when I'm searching for the smallest purchases, like a small shop where I swipe my card or something, maybe it's credit card or debit card or something like a UPI payments, there are multiple transactions were there. I was not able to do a proper reconciliation at that moment. So then I thought, why should why I'm not doing this as a reconciliation on a monthly basis. So then I thought like, okay, if I want to do it, I have to use my laptop and Excel. Then I have to enter everything. Is there any alternative? Then I got a application that is LIO. Okay, I will explain you what is the benefit of LIO and how we can utilize it. Okay, then and if can we use this data on a in laptop also. Okay, let's start. So if I'm going here, I have already using this. I have prepared one my whole Excel here, and also show you like how can prepare it also. So first we can do is like new file. We can just create here. So based on your occupation or based on the what type of work you want to monitor. If you're a shop owner, you can use shop. You can just like taxi driver or taxi owners, you can use that one. If you have a function like wedding, that you can utilize. Some household that chorus will be there, that if you want, you can just utilize that. And same way, what I did, I went for this personal section here. Then if you see here, we do have here expense register. When I just saw this as a default one, like if I can consider as a basic layout, okay, something like date is there, item is there, amount, payment mode, bill, everything is there here. Okay, if you notice, notes are there. So then if you want the same layout, and also you have the formula here. Formula is already inbuilt in this. So if you see here, the total amount is already calculated here. So that means the formula is already inbuilt. So better use this template. So I'll just use this template. Okay, so now you see here, I got the whole Excel with this template. Assume that some things I don't want, or some things I want to add it here. What I want to add, I just want to add here something like what I can do. Let's see. Okay, I just want to add here mobile number. Why? Let's first rename it. First rename the column. Okay, column G, I just add it as mobile number. Update the column. I'll tell you what is the benefit of that one later, once I add some expenses here. Okay, first I will add it here, like 1st March I did an grocery, then the amount was around 500 rupees. Let's select like I paid online. Okay, then if you have a bill receipt, you can attach the bill receipt here, or if you want a notes, you can just add it here, just like big basket. Let's add it as a big basket. Then assume that if you want to send this notes to someone else also, if you want to share it with someone else, then what I'll do, I'll just click it here. So you can see your own contact details and select the person whom you want to send this. Okay, then if you send it now, it will go automatically to that person as a WhatsApp contact or SMS, whichever the facility is available. So then I will add it. Right now it is not required. That's why I'll just delete it here. Okay. So in the same way, assume that I want to make it more segregated one, saying that here I can see only online and cash. I want something like my credit card here. Okay, I'll just mention that. Okay, I have a city credit card. So add it. So now you can see one more option came here. I have a UPI. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just add it as UPI. So what will happen here is, rather than just selecting online, I can just select the most appropriate one. So you can just select, okay, I spent it using City credit card, or I can say that I spent it using UPI. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. And then once you are done here, you can make it as many as entries are here. So if you see here, currently this is a complete manual one, and if you want to go column one by one, you have to go. So just to avoid that, what you can do is you can make a quick entry option. How do you want to make a quick entry option is, you can just click on this, the three dots, and just enable, see here, enable quick entry mode. So now you see only one row is appearing. If you want to add second row, you can just add it here. 20th March, I just purchased internet bill. Okay, internet bill. Then amount was 500 rupees. Then payment mode is UPI. Let's select. Okay, if you have bill, you can attach it, or else it's fine. So I'm just showing an examples here. Okay, so right now if you see here, you got it. Like amount is there, like whatever the amount you entered here, based on that it is counting, it's total. So it is 1000 rupees total, like 500 rupees. And if you think that this is fine for you, and then just lock it here. If you can see here, unlock, lock. Then once you lock it here, you cannot do any kind of changes here. Okay, if you can see here, I cannot do any changes. Sorry, not now. Let's go back once. Expense register, test. Let's keep it as test. I'll just go back here. See here, you can see the lock symbol here now. If I click here, document is locked. You cannot see. Now you see here at the bottom, you cannot edit old data. If you want to do any kind of entries, you just need to open it, the file, and now you can do it. Okay, so now we'll close it here. What I'll do, I will show you a full-fledged entry data, so that you will get a clear idea like what are the benefits of you using this one. Let's show you another Excel where I have made a maximum number of entries to demonstrate how best it is working in a real-time scenario. Okay, so if you see here, I have entered so many things here. Assume that this data, when I'm entering here, there are multiple dates are there, but they are not sorted on from top to bottom. If you want to sort it out, you can just put it here, sort like 1 to 9. So it will appear here. Or if you want to see the latest one, then what you do, 9 to 1. See here, this is the latest data, and this is the old data is on the bottom. So whichever the way you want, you can do in the same way. Okay, then we have added here, see, almost everything I added here, and you can see the total amount is also reflecting at the bottom. And what are the payment mode I wanted, I just added it here. I'll just show you. So like if I select that, I have multiple credit cards, FASTag, cash, UPI, Amazon Pay, whichever the payment mode which I am using, I've just added it here, so that when I'm doing my reconciliation, I can cross check with my particular that payment mode only. Assume that I got a credit card of bill of Citibank. So then what I will do, I'll just just a minute, I'll show you. What I got is Citibank credit card bills. So then I have to filter out. Okay, there is no Citibank credit card is not generated here. See, because I have not used it. So I have used it ICICI credit card. So now you see here, there is one amount is there, 674 rupees. So when I'm checking my credit card bill, I should see only this bill, not anything else. If I see anything else, then it is making me a suspicious doubt that, okay, why I'm seeing this bill which is not there in my transaction list. So then you can check it with your banking. And if you have anything else, if you want to check like Access credit card here, one more is there. Okay, so if you see here, one more entry is there, 381 rupees. So in the same way, because I do maximum transaction using UPI. Now if you see here, there are so many are there. So best is on a monthly basis, at least once in a while, you do the reconciliation, so that you will have an idea that, okay, these are my spendings only, and not anything like a spam or any virus or anything like somebody has hacked your account or something, there can be chances. Okay, so just keep a track on that part. So now I will remove all my filters here. Okay, wait. Here now you see remove filters. So I have removed all my filters, and I will show you some other best like how we can do it. If I want to see this month's expenditures only, so what I'll do, I will click on date column, filter, then start date I will put it as 1st March, and then end date I will put it as last date, then just close it and then just see. Now if you see here, these all things are appearing only from this month. See, this is the 1st March, so this is 20th March till today, that is today is 20th March. So all these expenditures are appearing properly. So, and if, in this also, if I want to say like on groceries how much I spent it, so I will select the items, then select the filter, then just click groceries. Okay, so now you see all the day-to-day expenditures on a grocery items, it will appear on a separate column here. Okay, so after that you can also see what all the, like, is it UPI, is it credit cards, or is it which all the way, or is it cash. So whichever way it is, just you can keep a track on that part, and also you can have a notes. So I think this way we can do a lot here, and also we can keep a track on our expenditures also. And once you're done here, you can just lock this file always, so that nobody can change any data sets here. Then what you can do, if you want to share this Excel, you can share it in one is Excel, one is PDF format. For that, what you can do, you can just click here. Then what you can do, see here, share it as a PDF or customized PDF or download as Excel. For me, best is when these expenses are there, it should be best in Excel format. Okay, or if you want to submit it for somebody's audit and review, just like your GST review bills are there, then it's best to send it in a PDF format, which is a protected format. Okay, so right now I am using it in a Excel format because for me it is just for helpful in just reconciling in my laptop. If I want to cross check it one more time, then I can use it via WhatsApp, Gmail. I can send it to the persons whom I want to ask it for a review. Then we can see here. Okay, so this is all happening here. Then what else you can do? I think I showed maximum number of items, and you can just, this is not required because we already sorted out here using this one. When the Excel is locked, these functions will not work. Okay, you cannot filter or you cannot sort anything here. If you want to do any kind of modification or any kind of sorting also, you just need to unlock, then only you can do it here. Okay, and many more other options are there here, so just go through it one by one, and if you feel there are some doubts are there with you, you can just message me. I can reply back to that. So I think this is what I wanted to discuss with you. So thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.